Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. So today we're cleaning. I've already cleaned the back part of the van. I wish I showed you the difference, but I was too busy cleaning, so I forgot to film. So today we'll be doing the front part. So as you can see, it's really dusty. I took all the garbage out of these drawers, but like, holy shit, this is so disgusting. Like, can you see this? This is from coffee and snacks and yeah. I just want to vacuum the front area and clean all the drawers. So see you in the dollar store. Okay, I was thinking something like this and then cut it how I need it. I'm now back from the dollar store and I bought a bunch of stuff. So these are the mats I show you. They'll be going up front. And I have a big bag, which is not everything's for today. Oh, I bought these liner for my kitchen drawers for the kitchen, because whenever we drive around the plates move around, so I bought these. Maybe it will help. Car wipes. This is a scraper which doubles as a traction. Anyways, if you get stuck, you put this under the tire and it'll help, because now it happened a couple times. We almost sort of got stuck in the snow. So if I'm alone, I don't want that happening. So I bought this. I just bought one. Hopefully it's enough if it ever happens. But it's small, so I figured I'll just put it somewhere in case if we need it. And then I bought a black shelf liner. Shelf liner. This is a kitchen shelf liner, and then this one I bought for the front drawers so they wouldn't get as dirty. Hopefully, we'll see. Let's go to work. Okay, so now most of my work will be outside, because I have to clean the front drawers and it's hard to do it from the inside. It's 1 degree, so it's not too bad, but I need to be dressed up enough. Okay. This is my tool for now. Well, I can't take this one out, but I can take this one out. It's a big one. So this is what we'll be doing now.
Shutting it down when I pop out. Riding downtown with the top down. Sun's got everybody out now. Yeah. Riding with my girls looking so good. Playing my song feeling so good. Only good vibes in my book. Yeah. All we wanna do is have a good time.
so I've cleaned this part of the door, so we're gonna let it dry. And meanwhile, I'll clean the actual drawers, the pockets, whatever. So they're right here. And I'll clean this. So I didn't mention yet, but this is just a spray bottle I bought in Dollarama. And in here I have water and soap. So soap I'm using is Dr. Bronner's. I use the lemon scented. Is it lemon? Citrus. It's my favorite. I use it to clean everything in the van, and it's dog friendly, organic. Yeah, so this is what I have in here, and I clean with this. Now let's clean those little thingies. Okay, I will leave them there to dry out a little bit, and now we're moving inside. So now we have to clean the dashboard. Is it dashboard? Anyways, it doesn't matter. So this here is proof that Gasper put stickers, like fruit stickers, everywhere. We used this to put the Christmas tree up. They are reusable, so I didn't want to destroy it. So I just wash it and dry it, and it'll be good to use again. I've cleaned all the surfaces, and now we're gonna clean the floor, because since I decided to put floor mats in there, I want the floor underneath to be clean. So first we have to take everything out from under the seats, but since my vacuum just died, like the battery, I won't vacuum. I'll just try to sweep a bit. There isn't really much underneath, it's just dirty. Oh, what's that? Ew. So now the driver's seat is a little bit more filled up. This is where we keep some stuff for fast reach. So all of this was under the seat. Disgusting. We don't need all of that here. So we've cleaned under the seats, and now the actual floor. Okay, so it's pretty much clean. I think this is as clean as it'll ever be. It could probably be cleaner, but I would have to spend hours, which I don't want to. So next step, so many steps today. We'll be using the car protective wipes, which are sort of like a repellent, I guess. So they kind of grease up the surface, and it repels dirt and dog hair, if that makes sense. Like, we won't get rid of dirt, but at least if it can stay cleaner for longer, that helps. So this is what we're doing now. All of this looks so much better now. Oh my god. Sweet. Okay, we've cleaned everything and polished, and now we put the rugs in. I don't know yet how I'm gonna do it. So like I said, I have two. This one and this one. So I'm thinking I would cut this one for like little smaller pieces, and then this one would just go under the seats right there. I think so. Change of plans. I will cut this one for smaller pieces. So now this part that we've cut fits perfectly in between the seats. Watch this. Dollar store knows what we need for our van. Seriously. Amazing. Okay, so now the front part. So what I'm thinking is just lay it down and then cut what I don't need. But I'm not sure if that's gonna work. So this is what I'm thinking, and I'll just cut these parts out and it should fit great. Okay, let's try that out. I'm impressed with myself. This is the one rug. And then this is what it looks like. I am so happy with this. And then the other one is right here. And don't mind the mess in the back. I'm super excited for this. This looks amazing, and it's just took me like half an hour, if even. I mean, the cleaning part was longer, but yay! Dog, how do you like the floor? Doesn't care. It's nice on your butt. Is it nice? Yeah, sure. We are in front of Gasper's work. Just waiting for him to come in.
Uh-oh. Oh, wow. Damn, we were busy, huh? How's the dia? We have black something, and it's gonna be white in a couple days. Oh, wow. Me like you. Me like you.
So we finally came to the end of this cleaning session today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know how often do you have to clean the front of your van. Since you live in a van, you're probably outdoorsy, so it gets dirty if you have a dog or not. What kind of products do you use? Like I said, that's the only product I use. I'll show it again. So this is the one. Yeah, I'm really happy with how this turned out. This is what I say in all my videos, but no, truly, everything fits so great. I wanted the carpets in here just so we can clean them easily, and I like to walk around in slippers or like drive in slippers, so that's why I wanted the carpet, so I can easily like take it out, wash it, vacuum it, and put it back in, because before we didn't have anything on the floor, and it just got out of hand. So yeah, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!